It is the advantage for their resources about the structural and its resource efficiency, which is the gradually and transformation for their ideologically, and it's all about their phenomena of the structurals, which is the management and its requirement for their absolute way of the majority, the definitely for their procedures and its gradually requirement. It is the defining and its association for their neutralization for their associative associations for their effective part of the approach, and it's regulatory for their transaction of the society. How do the defining for their association? The navigation of the sociological advantage and its growing for their reluctance for their ideologically, the different way for their challenges and its scope efficiency. It is the deterministic and it's part of the approach and it's regulatory for their transaction, which is the absolute way of the majority and thinking about the regulatory and its transformation. How do the challenges how do the challenges and its influential part of the approach, which is the gradually responsibility, the associated association and it's a politically immersing for their challenges, which is the absolute way of the majority and thinking about the regulatory and its absolute way of the majority and its challenges for the regulatory and its influential part of the approach, the gracefully responsibility and it's hidden for their transition of the society. पता है यार, कल के बारिश होने से ना सर्दी हो गया, उसी टाइम प्याज खा लिया और ज़्यादा नाक जाम हो गया है। इट इज़ द रेगुलेटरी फॉर देयर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। बाई गॉड प्याज खा लिए ना उसी टाइम से ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार बाई गॉड, बाई गॉड it is the regulatory for their transaction with the society, which is the absolute way of the majority and it's a gracefully for their transaction. दोस्तों आपको लग रहा है ना कि थोड़ा थोड़ा, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा थोड़ा इम्प्रूव हो रहा है, जैसे पहले के कंपेयर में मेरे को लग रहा है कि यार अभी थोड़ा सा बहुत अच्छा इम्प्रूव हो रहा है ना? It is the transition of the society, which is the absolute way of the socialization and its gracefully responsibility. The hidden of the transformation and its role and its regulatory for their transition, all about their phenomena of the structural and its influential part of the approach. How to the navigation and its gracefully transition, the prosperity and its institutionalization and its growth and its regulatory for their efficiency. It is the balance for their cooperative advantage, the absolute way of the majority and thinking about the socialization and its gracefully responsibility. The hidden of the transaction and its socialization for their gracefully and its transformation for their gracefully responsibility. The navigation of the society and its emancipation of the all about their phenomena of the structural and its regulatory for their transactions. How do the different regulatory of the transaction for their socialization in its gracefully for their responsibility, the hidden of the absolute way of the gracefully responsibility and its balance for their cooperative advantage, the social and its emancipation of the socialization and it's all about their phenomena of the structure. It is the phenomena of the structural and its balance for their challenges for their gracefully responsibility. आज थोड़ा सा नोटिस करना कि देखो दोस्त, या तो एट्स बार बार आएगा, नहीं तो डिफरेंट बार बार आएगा, नहीं तो सो बार बार आएगा। देखो उसको कैसे रिमूव किया जाए यार। अच्छा रिमूव हो जाए, धीरे धीरे रिमूव हो जाए, धीरे धीरे क्या। आई जस्ट ट्राई टू मेक श्योर अबाउट द वर्किंग कल्चर फॉर देयर एसोसिएशन एंड इट्स a different regulatory for their transactions, the challenges for their emerging and its a capitalism, the cooperative and its a balance for their defining and its association. How do the navigation and it's all about their different gracefully responsibility and its a prosperity for their institutionalization and its core values and systematic partially referendums, the challenges for their cooperative advantage and its socially and its emancipation of the society, the advantage for their regulatory and its challenges for their defining and its association, the navigation in its part of the approach, the regulatory and its influential association and its defining for their challenges and its scope efficiency, the balance of the society and it's basically for their finding and its challenges for their absolute way of the majority and it's thinking about the role and its regulatory for their transaction and it's defining for their association. It is the scope and its efficiency and its a way for their challenges, the gracefully and its responsibility, the hidden of the absolute way of the majority and its finding for their institutionalizations, the balance for their regulatory and challenges for their gracefully responsibility. It is the systematic and its a scope for their challenges, the navigation of the society when we have the aesthetics about the 4%, aesthetics about the 7%, aesthetic about the 18% which emerge, this 22% which is dissolving, and its prosperity for their 7% of the challenges for their efforts, and unemployment rate is 4.2%. The United States of America unemployment rate is 2.2%, and inflation rate is 6.2% and 4.2%, 4.2% and 6.2% between. This is the crystallization for their absolute, and it's कुछ कुछ इसमें लसर फसर लसर फसर बोल रहे थे, लसर फसर वाला बात नहीं बोलना, जो भी बोलो क्लियर क्रिस्टल बोलो. It is the challenges for their decorative for their absolute, and it's a defining for their association for their navigation, and it's a way for their scope efficiency, the way and it's a balance for their defining and its association for their navigation and its challenges for their grace. आज एक पता है एक पॉडकास्ट देख रहे थे, एक पॉडकास्ट देख रहे थे यार. मेरे को ना भोजपुरी बोलने आता है, ना मुझे को हिंदी बोलने आता है सही से, ना इंग्लिश बोलने आता है यार. मैंने किया क्या है यार, खाली मार्क्स के पीछे मार्क्स के पीछे मार्क्स के पीछे मार्क्स के पीछे, 100 में 100 100 में 95 के पीछे पढ़ते पढ़ते खा गया. तो एक पॉडकास्ट देख रहे तो उसमें बता रहा था कि जानते हैं कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आप जब आगे बढ़ते हो ना तो आसपास के लोग आपको बहुत पीछे खींचते हैं. हम बोले कि यार ये सब तो बकवास कर रहा है बैठ के. ये नॉर्मल सी बात है भाई कि आप आगे बढ़ते हो तो थोड़ी मोड़ी चीज़ें तो आपको आसपास के डिस्टर्ब करवे करती है. इतना पॉडकास्ट में बैठ के गाँव में लोग ऐसे बैठ के ये सब बकचोदी करते रहते हैं. आजकल लोग पॉडकास्ट में लोग बकचोदी कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं यार. वो उसको थोड़ा सा कैमरा लगा दो तो पॉडकास्ट हो गया, कैमरा हटा दो तो बकचोदी हो गया, जो गाँव में लोग आज भी करते हैं. बट उनके पास कैमरा नहीं रहता है, बट मेजोरिटी ज़्यादा रहता है, बायस लोग ज़्यादा रहते हैं. Okay. It is the challenges for their defining and its association for their different regulatory and its challenges for their gradually responsibility, the bias for their association and its navigation for their challenges which is the defining and its वो पॉडकास्ट जब से देखा ना तब से हंसी आ रहा है. It is the challenges for their different regulatory and its advantage for their gradually responsibility, the defining and its association for their different challenges for their absolute way of the navigation of the society, which is the gracefully responsibility and its balance for their regulatory and its defining for their association. कभी कभी आपको कभी कभी देखना कोई वीडियो देखना पॉडकास्ट वाला, उससे आपको फालतू चीज़ें ज़्यादा आपको देखने को मिलेगी, सीखने को चीज़ें बहुत कम मिलेगी. क्योंकि नॉर्मल सी बात है यार कि एक गरीब आदमी हो चाहे अमीर आदमी हो चाहे नॉर्मल आदमी, किसी के सामने कैमरा खड़ा कर दो तो वो भी जितनी क्या बोलते हैं मॉरली यानी इथिकली वाली बात होती है ना, वो अपने आप पकना शुरू कर देता है, समझे. तो कैमरा किसी के भी सामने आता है तो भाई वो नॉर्मल सा बंदा थोड़ा सा सहज हो जाता है, डिसिप्लिन में आ जाता है. तो पॉडकास्ट की बातें उतनी ज़्यादा हमको नहीं लगता है कि किसी को असर पड़नी चाहिए. वैसे भी असर नहीं पड़ता, आपको पड़ता है नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. सब बकचोदी होता है यार, जितना ज़्यादा बकचोदी उतना ज़्यादा व्यूज. क्या it is the challenges for their different regulatory for their efficiency and its different growth and its absolute way of the majority, which is the gracefully for their absolute way of the challenges for their defining association, the navigation of the society and its way for the being better smarter, and when you try to being smarter, so it will be automatically changing your environment, and when you try to better approach for their your mindset, just try to invade in different perspective and its challenges facing lots of the aspects of working and its capacity for their requirement, but they face for their absolute way of the defining and its association, which is the cooperative advantage, and it's slightly better for their association and its navigation for their socially and its economically procedures. How do the navigation देख रहे हो बाल अजब अजब लग रहा है कि साला जी कौवा के बैठा बैठा था, आज अजीबे बाल हो गया है. बत्तख के खौबा के खौबड़ा जैसा लग रहा है। पता है क्यों? क्योंकि आज दिन में सो गए थे बारिश हो रहा था, नींद लग गया। मस्त नींद लगा था, मस्त नींद लगा था। अरे यार तो हमारा हिंदियों नहीं क्या बोले और तो सही से गजब हाल है यार। इट इज़ द चैलेंजेस फॉर देयर कोऑपरेटिव एडवांटेज एंड इट्स सिस्टमेटिक। खुद पे ही हंसी आता है, लोग दूसरे पे हंसते हैं, मेरे को खुद पे ही हंसी आता है। It is the challenges for their cooperative advantage and it's defining for their association for their different regulatory for their scope efficiency, which is the different role in its regulatory for their challenges, which is the defining and its association. एक बात और बोलना था यार दोस्त, कि प्रोडक्शन लिंक इंसेंटिव का जो स्कीम है भारतीय भारतीय सरकार द्वारा, उसका फायदा सबसे ज़्यादा विदेशी कंपनी उठा रहा है। तो तुम लोग यार, आप लोग यार क्या कर रहे हो यार? खाली पॉडकास्ट देखोगे क्या? आप लोग भी उसका फ़ायदा उठाओ। सरकार दे रही है, एकदम दिल खोल के दे रही है। फ़ायदा उठाओ, फ़ायदा। हम भी सोच रहे हैं कि प्रोडक्शन लिंक इंसेंटिव है, सबसे ज़्यादा एप्पल फ़ायदा उठा रहा है यार। 1.5 लाख करोड़ का एक्सपोर्ट किया है, 1.5 लाख करोड़ का एक्सपोर्ट किया है। 1.5 लाख करोड़ का एक्सपोर्ट किया है। एक्सपोर्ट इतना कर दिया क्या? हो सकता है उसके बाद भाई नेटवर्क है पूरा वर्ल्ड वाइड में। चलो दोस्तों, मिलते हैं फिर कल। ओके, बाय।